Who is this tall, full torso? You guys by the baby carriage. The baby carriage definitely so haunted that I had to put this stuff in it. There were so many ghosts, including Pretty Girl Ghost, that were congregating near it here on the Clark the Shark Ghost Network. No ghosts are showing now. Dr. Venkman is finding no reading. Limited reading here at the green chair, you guys. I think I see Fat Ghost trying to show. Perhaps he will, perhaps he won't. You never know. Right here on the Clark the Shit Show, baby. With Dr.